Being a celebrity is seemingly all glitz and glamour, but can money and fame actually buy you happiness? That is one of the biggest questions in life. In today's video on Top 10 Beyond the Screen, we're going to be taking a look at the top 10 celebrities who are rich but not happy. I'm excited for this one. I'm your host for this one, Joss Bedard. If this is your first time here, subscribe so you don't miss out on the next one, and leave a like if you enjoyed it. Starting off at number 10, we have the model and actress Cara Delevingne. The young celebrity took to social media to confess that the modeling industry has left her feeling hollow. Even though the well-known star has been making millions for walking down a runway, she still is not satisfied with who she is as a person, or who she was, because she quit modeling, and I'll get to it. She has stated that having a career in modeling makes someone feel so superficial that you actually forget who you are. The detrimental affairs that come with working in modeling caused for her to struggle with mental health and depression. She also noticed that when she wasn't spending her money on others, they were conveniently not around her. She admitted that she feels old and run down due to her career path, even though at her age, she's young, she should be enjoying herself and all the money that came with her fame. Good news is, like I mentioned, she has now retired from the modeling industry and is spending time living life for herself. Following along to our next spot at number 9 is Keanu Reeves. The actor is a household name that starred in some of the most popular films in history, which sounds like a dream. During his early days in Hollywood, he was met with partying, fame, and fortune, but it wasn't long for him to realize that this lifestyle was not fulfilling to him. Being as famous as he is, you would expect the actor to enjoy the finer things and enjoy his financial success. But on the flip side, he has been very vocal about how little he cares about the money that he makes. Throughout his life, he has been met with great tragedy with the loss of his best friend and fiance. It made him realize that he does not need the great amount of money that he has to live a real and happy life. Therefore, the star reportedly gave his entire salary from The Matrix away and is known for donating millions to charity. Additionally, he acknowledges that money is the last thing he thinks about, as the actor doesn't dictate success with money and holds no emotional value in fortune. This mentality has led him to live a happier and more interpersonal successful life. Good on him. That's all I gotta say. He does do a lot of charity work. Moving on to number 8, we have Kristen Stewart. Kristen found her big break and made a fortune being the leading lady in the Twilight franchise. Though this was not met with a lavish lifestyle filled with happiness, believe it or not. Her Twilight era saw major criticism of all kinds towards the actress, and even though it was a career-defining moment for her, she has tried her hardest to move past her role as Bella Swan. The actress has since taken many roles, but has fallen under the radar, some would say, compared to Twilight, we should say. Though this comes with satisfaction, as Kristen has tried her hardest to remain antisocial from the media because she could actually care less about fame and money. The star has stated that her intention was never to become famous and that she finds the most joy when she is enjoying her craft of simply acting. Many are quick to assume fame and money is just met with happiness, but she could not disagree more. And spot number 7 is Lindsay Lohan. The actress is not new to the fame and headlines, as she has been in the spotlight basically her entire life. Though during her teen years she was rich and a mess according to the media. The fame and fortune left the celebrity with numerous times in rehab and a lot of bad press. Though her troubles cannot be mentioned without acknowledging the influence that fame and money had in navigating her towards this behavior. I can only imagine how hard that would be. With an entire life lived in the eye of the public, with constant criticism towards her appearance, choices in romantic relations, her behavior was a reaction to this very unhealthy relationship that she had with her amount of fame. As Lindsay has aged, ironically, she's lost a lot of her fortune, though she's seemingly living a happier and quieter life. She's coming back. She has a podcast coming out, y'all. Moving on to the number 6 spot, we have the infamous Justin Bieber. The celebrity started his career very young and has been in the spotlight ever since he was 13 years old. Being in the spotlight at such a young age definitely comes with its downfalls, and it's known that he has had a very hard time in Hollywood. He's very open about it. With his mix-up with the law and disrespecting his fans, it seems like it's just bad behavior, but this all comes from a darker place. Bieber has confessed that he often struggles to get through the day for how lonely he feels when he's touring. He continued and also said that the fame and celebrity lifestyle rips you apart. When you can't just do anything alone, you get depressed, which doesn't seem like it should happen, but apparently it does. Justin said he would not wish this lifestyle upon anyone. Also, his song Lonely is basically to sum up this entire paragraph that I just said. He talks about how he can have everything in the world and still feel lonely. I was gonna sing some, but I won't. Halfway through our list, at number 5 is Lady Gaga. The singer is one of the most well-known celebrities, let's be honest. In a revealing interview, the singer confessed her personal struggles with fame. She acknowledged that when she goes out in the world, she belongs to everyone else but herself. The singer also stated that she is upset about the fact that it is legal for people to follow her, to stalk her, and that she can't do anything about it besides simply accept it because of who she is. During the interview, the singer began tearing up talking about her helplessness when it comes to privacy and her personal well-being. She also stated that she has transformed into a different person since she has become a celebrity, and once she began getting recognized in public, it changed every interaction that she ever has with people. The singer confessed that she wishes she could go anywhere and just meet strangers without the factor of being recognized. Next in line on the countdown, taking the number 4 spot, is Selena Gomez. The young star's struggle with an illness always set her back, especially when she was originally trying to hide her lupus diagnosis from the public. Starting her career as a Disney child star, she has adapted her career to be the strong woman and talented singer that she's known to be now. But this wasn't done as swiftly as it sounds. Selena has admitted that during her Disney phase, she felt very violated because she didn't have any control over this because she didn't quite understand fame during that time. And while now she has more control over this as she has aged, she still isn't over her struggles of being in the spotlight. Being a young woman in the media, she is met with constant criticism, little to no privacy, and all her relationships on display for everyone to comment on. Justin Bieber, but we won't get into that. This has led the star to struggle with life in the spotlight and its effect on her mental and physical health. Therefore, no matter how many followers you have or how rich you are, the personal struggle and criticism is always going to be there. I think she is the most followed person on Instagram still. Fact check me, but I think she is. Or she's close. Taking one of the top spots at number 3 is Billie Eilish. The pop star sensation took Hollywood by storm at the age of 17, and she is one of the most famous celebrities in the entire world. Though being in the spotlight did not help solve her struggle with mental illness. Billie has constantly struggled with anxiety before and after stardom. The singer has even admitted that when touring, her anxiety is even worse, and there was actually a week on tour where she had panic attacks every night for a week straight. And only recently has the singer come out to reveal the struggle to live with Tourette syndrome, especially when she was trying to hide it in the spotlight. Obviously that made things much harder. There have been many ways for which she tries to regain her personal self and hold on her privacy, and one of those ways is through her fashion. We all know that Billie is known for wearing extremely baggy clothes, but this choice was not because of preference. Well, it was because of preference, but there was a reason behind it. The singer has revealed multiple times that her choice to wear these baggy clothes is because she didn't want the world to just know everything about her, so it's kind of a way to protect herself. Continuing down the list, number 2, we have Demi Lovato. The talented actor and singer was once known for their time on Disney, starring in multiple shows while simultaneously touring the world for their music. But with all the money that came with this very busy lifestyle, it didn't compare to the constant personal struggle and exhaustion that the celebrity faced. And there became a point where Demi had to step back and take a break from the spotlight to choose to work on themselves instead of continuing their current mentally unsustainable lifestyle. After spending time in rehab and therapy to deal with their mental illnesses, Demi decided it was the right time to come back into the spotlight. This new Demi was a healthy-minded, body-positive person who wasn't worried about the money they make, but was more concerned on who they allowed into their life. Ironically, when Demi came back into the spotlight and was transparent about their mental health issues, they became more famous for being so true to themselves. Finally, we've made it to number 1, and we have Amy Winehouse. This is one of the more devastating cases on this list because Amy had such a successful career in the industry but was very abused in the media. You can actually check out her documentary, you guys. I think it's on Amazon Prime. It was so good. Anyways, check it out. Though no one can argue that her fame and fortune was very well deserved for her amount of talent. But even though Amy made millions during her short career in music, she had a lot of troubles. Her struggles were partially due to her substance addiction, but mostly due to her sudden rise to fame and how that put a great amount of stress and shock on her. With no idea of how famous she would become, she was unprepared for the fame that she received. Because of this great amount of fame, the media began exploiting her for her addiction. Throughout this, she often got lost and felt depressed, which spiraled into getting involved with the wrong crowd and the wrong things. A number of people close to the singer shared that she had little to no interest in being a celebrity. The money meant nothing to Amy, she truly only wanted to be a singer. The singer did not have a big fancy house or any materialistic things that didn't really matter to her. Sadly, with the unknowingly amount of fame and fortune that she would receive, also just came a lot of depression and stress. In the documentary, y'all, it's really crazy to see what she went through. Alright guys, that's our list for today. I'm gonna end this video with some comment shoutouts. Lars Kuno Anderson says, "Oh, Joss, you are so Canadian." I don't know what you mean by that. Like, I need some examples. Why? What did I say? Did I say about? Because everyone makes fun of me of how I say that. They're like, you say a boot. I don't say a boot. It's about. Anyways, Chris Brown. Oh, the Chris Brown? Chris Brown says Joss, aka Sassy. Yeah, Sassy. If you guys haven't checked out Sassy, just type it in YouTube. Come chill with just me on a channel. Mary Beth says, another high quality, entertaining video. Thanks, Miss Bedard and team. Shout out to the editors, y'all. I feel like we don't give them enough credit. Alright guys, I am getting out of here. I was your host for this one, Joss Bedard. I'll see you in another one. Bye.